Okay, we live on certain busy streets. And we're going to hold a sign up and see how many people honk. Hey. It's not working yet.
Can I see the sign?
Old hags. Honk if you love rainbows.
Damn it! Okay, don't stand so close.
Nobody loves rainbows today.
Woo!
Don't honk. Aww. Honk if you love rainbows.
Oh, damn it.
These people are so
get back of it.
horrible.
This is scaring me. Woo!
This is fun.
Let me see the sign.
Honk if you love rainbows. Aww. These people are grouchy.
I know. Like, who doesn't like rainbows?
Nobody likes to smile around here. Who's coming? Who's coming? I wonder if they'll honk.
They'll probably want to see the sign.
No.
Yes.
These people are no good. Shut off the damn camera.
Hold on. Do you love rainbows?
Yeah! Honk honk!
Hey!
Hi!
Bye.
Only like how many people honk?